Guys, do not buy new seat. It will cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars. Yours will be fixed for just a few dollars. Stay with us, we'll explain how. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a problem guys where a power seat, let us show you here guys, power seat does not go up, down, okay, you cannot adjust the height, listen now. Okay, it doesn't work. We'll explain now in detail in a second guys, or it may be even something else where it doesn't move back and forward. We'll talk about that, what can cause that, how we can fix it. Don't buy a new seat until you watch that video, because it could be, by the way guys, quite easy fix. Stay with us and we'll cover that in this video today. Guys, we want to show you now here the seat. Okay, our height adjustment does not work, but many cars will be that way. So what do we guys need to do now? Let us show you guys. Okay, we can move the seat back and forward, right? We can lean it. Okay, actually the back is supposed to lean, but since we have it disconnected, it's the bottom. But if we try to adjust the seat height, okay, check this thing out, nothing works at all guys, okay, but we hear a noise. You have two possibilities: no noise at all, okay, that most likely will indicate problems with the motor or the wiring harness, or noise, but the seat doesn't move. So let's explain what breaks and how we can easily fix that now. So guys, this one, most of the seats, but this one specifically, has two motors for adjusting the height. One on the front, one on the back, because you can tilt the front or the back, right? Or lift both of them at the same time. This is the motor right here. And ours, okay, the front one didn't work and the rear one was just making noise. So in our case, okay, what happened? The motor was stuck at one position. And guys, right here, okay, let me show you. Okay, the switch guys, ours goes on down position, but the motor was just stuck all the way down, so it cannot move more down. But when we go up, it did not work. So guys, okay, that's the problem right here. We took the power connector off. This is positive, negative wire right here. If you reverse them, on most of them you can test it, not all, but listen now. Okay, check out the seat now, it's going to move. I'm going to get here the battery so you can see, okay, and watch the whole seat. Let's come back a little bit so you can see the whole action. Okay, now it works. Now what happened with ours, okay, it was stuck all the way in down position. Let me get it all the way down. Okay, it was like this one. Okay, and every time we see the motor moves a little bit, try to go, but it doesn't go. When we try to go up, our switch is messed up, so it couldn't move it, but actually guys, the motor is fine. Okay, it works perfectly fine. So in our case, okay, we need to replace the switch. But for the back motor, that makes a noise. It's right here. It makes a noise, but it doesn't move the seat. We will explain how we can fix that now. So guys, okay, right here now, this is the motor that we'll be working on. Okay, so we need to take the seat apart. What we're going to do, we disconnected the wire. Okay, there will be different designs, but usually they come out quite easily. We'll need to take that bolt, two big bolts right here off, okay, and the motor and the adjustment will come out. So guys, now, okay, most cars guys, okay, will have very similar design. Come to show you what we have here. Okay, this is the good one. I want to show you, okay, what we have here specifically. So if we guys, okay, turn this thing like we're the motor, those are the gears here that you will notice that will start turning too. Check this thing out. You see how they move, right? That's the good one. Watch the bad one now. Okay, the bad one is that one. I'm turning it, right? Watch it stuck in one position, nothing happens. Now if we open that thing, I want to show you what happens inside. If it makes a noise but the seat doesn't move, okay, the seats, many of them will have plastic gears, which is a terrible design in my opinion. Why? Because eventually they'll wear out. This is metal, all metal, but this is plastic. And this piece is metal. Metal in plastic, it will not last long. So guys, here now, okay, if we spin that one by hand, I want to show you what we have. Do you see right here? It's completely eaten. It got stuck in one position and it ate all the teeth here until they melted. So if I put it together now, okay, it will work some. Okay, let me get it in, and it stops. because it's completely off, guys. Okay, completely hidden. Now if I get a new one that works, if we open that one, I mean it's used but it's still in good condition. Okay, check this thing out, everything works, and when I turn it, you see how it turns as well. Now that piece, they sell it. It's very inexpensive. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. We can get it for your car, but we'll put some links in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can get it, replace it, put the seat together, and you guys will be practically ready to go. So guys, we have it hooked up now here, okay, to the battery, and check it now. Okay, lifts up the whole seat up and down. So that fixes it. Let's put it on the car and see how it works there now. So guys, want to show you now. Okay, we fixed it, right? So check out what's happening now. Okay, you can change the height adjustment. Okay, that's amazing, guys. So that's how you fix a power seat that cannot move, guys, on a car. Not very complicated at all. Hopefully the video was helpful to any of you needing help with that, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Our mission is to help as many people as we can and save as much money as we can. That's our mission, guys. Please help us achieve it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.